Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn health related German words. Die Impfung means vaccination. Die Impfung means vaccination. Die Krankheit means illness. Die Krankheit means illness. Krank means ill. Krank means ill. Der Schmerz means pain. Der Schmerz means pain. Leiden means to suffer. Leiden means to suffer. Die Erkältung means cold. Die Erkältung means cold. Husten means to cough. Husten means to cough. Der Husten means cough. Niesen means to sneeze. Niesen means to sneeze. Die Grippe means flu. Die Grippe means flu. Die Verletzung means injury. Die Verletzung means injury. Bluten means to bleed. Bluten means to bleed. Die Medizin means medicine. Die Medizin means medicine. Der Arzt means doctor. Der Arzt means doctor. Die Praxis means practice. Die Praxis means practice. Die Sprechstunde means consulting hour. Die Sprechstunde means consulting hour. Das Wartezimmer means waiting room. Das Wartezimmer means waiting room. Der Patient means patient. Der Patient means patient. Untersuchen means to examine. Untersuchen means to examine. Die Behandlung means treatment. Die Behandlung means treatment. Der Verband means bandage. Der Verband means bandage. Die Spritze means injection. Die Spritze means injection. Der Krankenwagen means ambulance. Der Krankenwagen means ambulance. Behandeln means to treat. Behandeln means to treat. Das Krankenhaus means hospital. Das Krankenhaus means hospital. Die Klinik means clinic. Die Klinik means clinic. Die Krankenschwester means nurse. Die Krankenschwester means nurse. Die Besserung means improvement. Die Besserung means improvement. Der Rollstuhl means wheelchair. Der Rollstuhl means wheelchair. Die Apotheke means pharmacy. Die Apotheke means pharmacy. Das Rezept means prescription. Das Rezept means prescription. Die Tablette means tablet. Die Tablette means tablet. Die Pille means pill. Die Pille means pill. Die Drogerie means drugstore. Die Drogerie means drugstore. Gesund means healthy. Gesund means healthy. Die Gesundheit means health. Die Gesundheit means health.